However, you are the publisher, which means you have to do everything. You have to be the graphic designer. You're responsible for the marketing. You're responsible for the customer service. You're responsible for all of that stuff. Amazon is just responsible for putting your book on Amazon.com. And if you decide to go into the back office and order author copies, they will send them to you in 2 weeks, depending on how many you order. That's their responsibility. That is it. They are a distribution platform. They are not a publisher. You are the publisher, which means all of the weight falls on your shoulders. All of it. Now, that being said, you can easily find people to support you. If you don't know how to do cover design, which right now Canva could be your friend. If you don't know how to use Canva, don't worry about it because it's simple to use. However, if you say, "Oh, I don't want to learn how to use Canva," you can go to Fiverr or you can go to Upwork and find someone to do the cover for you. You can go to Fiverr. I do all my covers. I do everything, all my graphics in Canva because it has really, really beautiful templates, and then you can go in there and mix them and match them. If you don't want to do that, go to Fiverr and find someone to do your cover. Probably do it for you for $40, $50. Still very cheap. When I first started doing them back then to get the KDP publisher correctly, I went to Canva. I think I spent $12, $15. It has since changed. The prices have gone up. It's still a good price though, because I can remember paying for a logo, and the logo was just like some lines and some lips. It was $300. So times have changed, right? Prices have increased, but times have also changed. So think about that. So you can go to Fiverr, you can find your marketing person, you can find your cover designer, you can find your book trailer creator, you can find your editor, you can find your publicist, you can find everybody you need on Fiverr. You just need a little bit of money to find all these people to say, "Hey, I'm launching this book. I need your help." And all you got to do is buy the gig and they'll do the work. That's it. Now, if you don't have a budget for that, it's all on your shoulders, all of it. But if you can say, "You know what, let me pull together, a few $100s where I can get the cover done. I can get the book edited." I can tell you that book editing is going to be your most expensive thing. However, when you fast forward to today, we got some amazing AI out there right now